Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. For you adventure riders out there looking to upgrade your foot pegs, this is what you need right here. This is the new Tusk Edge Billet Adventure foot peg, and this is going to give you 3 big updates over your stock pegs: comfort, grip, strength, and durability. So let's talk about those. So first of all, I talked about comfort. These are a very large foot peg, give you a huge platform. They're 115 millimeters long, 60 millimeters wide. So for all day rides, whether you're sitting on the bike, standing up especially, that larger platform is just gonna give you more comfort, more surface area for your boot, so your feet aren't getting sore. I've ridden adventure bikes and I'm still very shocked at how small a lot of foot pegs are that still come on some of these bikes. And trust me, when you have a small foot peg, you don't have a lot of surface area for that load to be spread out on, and your feet do start to get sore. That's why we gave you such a large platform with this. The other is grip. So with these, you're gonna have these stainless steel cleats that will come installed for you. These offer phenomenal grip, a lot more than stock foot pegs do, especially some of those pegs that have the rounded steel. Those are not very grippy. And if you get yourself into wet conditions, or if you're standing up, doing aggressive riding, you're gonna love the additional grip that you're gonna get with these cleats. And then thirdly is going to be the strength and durability. These are made from a 7075 billet aluminum, and they're built to take an absolute beating. We've tested the heck out of these, and compared to steel, which I've ridden adventure bikes with steel foot pegs, I've hit rocks, I've bent them. With the billet aluminum, that's not something that you have to worry about. So if you're looking for a foot peg that you're never gonna have to replace, the Edge is exactly what you need. It was actually really cool to see the development of this foot peg while we were designing it here at Rocky Mountain. I saw a lot of different 3D printed options and different designs, just making sure we had everything just right. We wanted to make sure it had a good mud clearing design, so when you look at the shape and everything was all with intent. So we want to make sure that if you are in muddy conditions, that it's not going to pack in there, which is going to reduce the amount of grip. So that was very important to us while designing this. It's available, you can see, in a black and a silver colorway. We have these available for a lot of different bikes. To know if we have one for yours, it's very simple. Just click on the link or head to Rocky Mountain's website on the product page, enter the year, make, and model of your bike. If yours shows up, these will fit it. And they're just gonna utilize your OEM hardware, all of that. So just take yours off and put these on. Last thing I do wanna bring up is, so we talked about grip. These stainless steel cleats will come included, but there is another option for riders looking for even more grip on their pegs, and that is this right here. So we offer on our Moto foot peg, which is called the Strike, we have these different cleats, and they're more like pins, honestly. And the reason that we include these on our Moto foot peg is because they are, I'm gonna say it right now, the grippiest pegs or pins that I've ever used on a foot peg. So when you buy yours, again, it will come with these cleats, but if you want more grip than what these can offer, you can buy these Moto cleats and install those on your pegs. What's nice about either one is that they're replaceable, so over time, if they do wear out, they start to round off a little bit, and you wanna just refreshen those, get that grip back, you can just buy a new set of the cleats, and you can install those, wham bam, you've got a freshened up foot peg, and you are good to go. So again, for adventure riders looking to increase the comfort, the grip, and the durability of your foot pegs, you need the Edge. If you have questions, comments about it, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab a set, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You know the deal. We ship for free over $75. And as always, if you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.